The Supreme Court verdict on stray dogs in Delhi is a death sentence for every single stray dog on every single street in the national capital. And here's why we should all be raising our voice against it. To start off with, I'm not an animal rights activist, okay? But even I know that the correct solution to a stray dog problem that has been applied globally is vaccinate, sterilize, and release. Not put all stray dogs in a shelter. और shelter है भी कहाँ? ये कह रहे हैं एक हफ्ते में सबको शेल्टर में डाल दो, बट वेयर आर द शेल्टर्स? यू सीन व्हाट द कंडीशन ऑफ गौशालाज इज. जो गौ माता को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर पाए वो स्ट्रे डॉग्स को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे? यू सीन दिस फेल्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट विद मंकीज एंड दीज रैंडम शेल्टर्स दैट वर अपैरेंटली गोइंग टू बी क्रिएटेड फॉर मंकीज. तो आज क्या हो रहा है? एवरी सिंगल स्ट्रे डॉग टुडे विल बी पिक्ड अप एंड थ्रोन इनटू द रिज, इनटू सम रैंडम फॉरेस्ट फार अवे फ्रॉम वेयर यू एंड आई कैन सी देम टू डाई. इज दिस ह्यूमन? It is not. It is not legal either. We have laws. Parliament ने इस पर कानून बनाए हुए हैं, but the judiciary does not want to listen to these laws. This judgment is not based either in good policy or in good jurisprudence. तो ये जजमेंट है क्या? अभी बात हुई लॉन्ग टर्म सोल्यूशंस की. चलो आप सभी स्ट्रे डॉग्स को आज हटा दोगे, पर कल पिंकी आंटी जिसने एक कुत्ता अपने बच्चे के लिए खरीदा है उस कुत्ते को रास्ते पे फेंक देगी. उसका क्या करोगे? When that dog mates with another dog who's been abandoned by another reckless owner and produces a litter on the street, what are you going to do with that litter? उनको भी shelter भेजते रहोगे? Is this what the MCD is going to do? Better than that, use all of these people to vaccinate and sterilize. This is a nonsensical solution to a common sense problem. You cannot send a puppy to life imprisonment in some shelter because these new rules under this new verdict say that no dog can even be adopted from a shelter. Why? Why can't you adopt a dog who's gone to a shelter? ऐसे कौन रूल्स बनाता है? You won't penalize the people who buy from सस्ते breeders and throw their dogs onto the streets, and now you will prevent people who want to do the good thing from even adopting the dogs who you have sent to the shelter. My humble appeal is, not as a politician today, not as an NCP-SP leader also today, but as a common citizen who lives in Delhi today. रेखा गुप्ता जी, ये बकवास बंद कर दीजिएगा. आपके पास समय है. You are in power and you can change this. This is an illogical, unjust, inhuman and impractical solution. The correct answer is to vaccinate, sterilize and release. अगर MCD उनका काम नहीं कर रही है, then the Supreme Court does not have any right to make the strays of Delhi suffer. जो आज दिल्ली में हो रहा है, कल मुंबई में होगा, कल हर शहर में होगा, and each one of us needs to raise our voice against this.